Once upon a time, there was a wolf king who fought a war for the most precious treasure in all the kingdom, his beautiful little princess. But victory came at a price. Allies lost. New enemies made. And so, the Wolf King stood alone. Happily ever after, it was not. But sometimes, even the worst endings are not really endings at all. And you should know, my littlest wolf, that even when all seems burnt to ash, in our story, there is always another chapter to be told. man will be dead by the weekend. Which means I've broken one of your rules. And yet I cannot be killed.